Alright, I guess this right here is going to be part 5/B, because I didn't get to finish the other one on the first one I just done here, on part 5. So I guess that'd be part 5-A. But hopefully y'all will enjoy what I'm doing. And like I said, if y'all have any comments that y'all want to post on there for something that you think they ought to do a little different, just feel free to do it. I don't mind. I'll take any suggestions anybody has, or any other techniques out there. And so far, I hope y'all have actually enjoyed my other videos I've done here. I'll vacuum that out right there after that dries. That's no big deal anyway, so as long as I got a shop vac, that's all that matters. And after this right here dries, I'll vacuum any loose dirt up, and then I'll be able to go up there and start on my grass section over here. And like I said, I might do a dirt road coming off the main road, coming over to a building that I'm gonna have over here. I don't know yet. I might not. I might just do an actual road over top of my dirt that I've done. Instead of a dirt road, do like one of my other roads I just got done from doing here. Alright, I think that looks good for that one. Now, as far as these roads right here, as far as the ties that goes over for the roads go across, all I'm going to do is just put them down in place. Make sure. And I'm going to actually glue them, so let me see if I can put this down here so you can see what I'm doing. Like some just use the modeling glue to hold this in place. This right here should work fine. Be a lot better than Elmer's glue. All I'm doing is just gluing it to the rails that are there now, or the ties actually. Push it down. Leave that one there for a minute, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. Then when I weather my ties on the other one, then I'll weather these right here also. And this area will stay in place. I'm going to put some weight on this after I get the other one done. Just bear with me, y'all. Hope I ain't boring none of y'all to death. If I am, I'm real sorry. But hopefully you like what I'm doing here. And after I glue this in, I will show you my work that I've done right here before I actually weigh them down. Alright. give you a close-up. See what it looks like. Actually, let me get something else here. Okay, a little flashlight, that way you can see in there. So I actually use my cell phone to do the recording here. That's basically what it looks like right there. There's that one. And one I got here in the back. Sorry about that. A little clumsy sometimes. But I'm gonna go ahead and weigh these down. I'm gonna take this little piece of wood. I've already done that one. Let me move over here. I'm gonna weigh that down like that. I got some more wood strips. Do this one. Do that one. And I'm actually using the paint buckets of my paint that I actually do for my scenery, for my this is actually going to be pretty good, but this is my paint buckets that I use for my walls, for my sky, and my paint back there that I actually use for what I just did here for my earth color. But like I said, after this right here dries, I'm gonna go up there and I might add some more dirt, some of this right here. And what dirt doesn't come up when I vacuum, I will just go up there and start doing my grass on here. But that's it for this one right here, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you.